chemical properties of aldehyde. The first one, oxidation process. Oxidation. Another one, reduction. Oxidation, reduction. Then addition reaction. Important one. Addition. Then aldol condensation. Aldol condensation process. Then Kanizawa reaction. Then Disenco. Disenco reaction. Then Belkin reaction. Belkin reaction. Benzoin. Benzoin reaction. Benzoin. Navanaghan reaction. Navanaghan reaction. Navanaghan reaction. Another one, Claisen-Smith reaction. Claisen. Claisen-Smith reaction. Then electrophilic substitution reaction. Addition reaction is nucleophilic addition, especially nucleophilic addition. Electrophilic substitution reaction. The last one, test for aldehyde. Test for aldehyde. In test for aldehyde consists of totally 4 types of tests are there. One is a tolerance test. Tolerance. Another one, Fehling test. Jiff test. Pennetic test. Jiff test, Fehling test, tolerance test. It is used to find out the aldehyde. Test for aldehyde, electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration, sulfonation, chlorination, then halogenation process are there. Claisen-Smith reaction, Navanaghan reaction, benzoin condensation reaction, Belkin reaction, Disenco reaction, Kanizawa reaction, aldol condensation, addition reaction. Addition reaction important, reduction also important in simple oxidation process. In the first one, oxidation process. Oxidation. In the aldehyde oxidized form of acid, simple acetic acid, acetaldehyde, CHO, oxidized in presence of potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, form of acetic acid, CH3COOH. Isopropyl formaldehyde, CHO, oxidized in presence of oxidizing agent, the form of cyclopropyl carbaldehyde. Cyclopropyl carbaldehyde can be converted into cyclopropyl carboxylic acid, COOH. Benzaldehyde, C6H5 CHO, oxidized to form of benzoic acid, C6H5 COOH. All aldehyde compounds are easily oxidized in presence of oxidizing agent to form a carboxylic acid. That's why all aldehyde compounds are used as a reducing agent. Acetaldehyde can be converted to acetic acid. Cyclocarbaldehyde can be converted to cyclocarboxylic acid. Benzaldehyde can be converted to benzoic acid. It is a conversion of aldehyde to carboxylic acid. That's why all aldehyde compounds are easily oxidized to form a carboxylic acid. Then it is used to used for the reducing agent. It is used for the reducing agent. Next one, reduction process. Reduction. Two type of reduction process are there. It is an oxidation, it is a reduction. Two types of reduction process are there. One reducing agent, hydrogen platinum or hydrogen palladium or in the hydrogen nickel or lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, hydrogen nickel, hydrogen radium, hydrogen platinum, sodium amalgam and water, sodium amalgam and water, hydrogen platinum, hydrogen radium, hydrogen nickel, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, sodium amalgam water is used to convert the C double bond O group to CHOH. C double bond O group can be converted into two hydrogen again. The C double bond O group converted into in then C H and OH. CH bond OH. For example, formaldehyde C double bond O bond H. By getting within this reagent gives the common hydrogen, two hydrogen. One hydrogen can combine with oxygen, another one hydrogen can combine with carbon. Carbon oxygen will by one break to form what alcohol? Primary alcohol CH3 OH. Formaldehyde can be converted to methyl alcohol. Acetaldehyde can be converted into ethyl alcohol. Propanaldehyde can be converted to N-propyl alcohol. Benzaldehyde can be converted into benzyl alcohol. Formaldehyde can be converted into methyl alcohol. Acetaldehyde can be converted to ethyl alcohol. Propanaldehyde can be converted to N-propyl alcohol. Benzaldehyde can be converted into benzyl alcohol. By dealing with hydrogen platinum, hydrogen radium, hydrogen nickel, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, sodium amalgam and water. In the next reaction, Clemmensen reducing agent, Wolff-Kissner reducing agent. Clemmensen reduction. Another one, Wolff-Kissner reduction. Wolff-Kissner reduction. Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Kissner reduction. What is a Clemmensen reducing agent? Zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. The reagent it gives how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. Wolff-Kissner reducing agent, hydrazine, NH2 hydrazine, and sodium ethoxide, NaOET, hydrazine and sodium ethoxide. In these two reagents, it gives it totally 4 hydrogen atoms. This C double bond O can be converted into CH2. 2 hydrogen can be linked with carbon. Another 2 hydrogen can be combined with oxygen. 2 hydrogen. So H2O can be removed in zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid, hydrazine and sodium ethoxide. By using of zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl means Clemmensen reduction. By using of hydrazine and sodium ethoxide means Wolff-Kissner reduction. It is used to C double bond O group can be converted to CH2. Formaldehyde can be converted to methane. Acetaldehyde can be converted to ethane. Propanaldehyde can be converted to propane. Benzaldehyde can be converted into toluene. Formaldehyde can be converted to methane. Acetaldehyde can be converted to ethane. Propanaldehyde can be converted to propane. Benzaldehyde can be converted to toluene by using of Clemmensen and Wolff-Kissner reducing agents. Next one, addition reaction. Addition reaction, important reaction. Addition reaction. Two types of addition reactions are there. One is a general nucleophilic addition reaction. Another one, fourth nucleophile attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl group C double bond O in the all aldehyde compound contains C double bond O groups are highly polar nature. Because of in the oxygen and the carbon electronegativity difference between the two elements higher. That's why carbon oxygen bond break. One sigma bond, one pi bond somewhere. Sigma bond strong bond, pi bond weak bond. Pi bond break. Both one pair of electron move towards a more electronegativity of the oxygen atom. So all aldehyde and ketone compounds are split into form of a C plus single bond O minus. Naturally, in carbonyl group containing carbon act as a electrophile. Don't forget, naturally, carbonyl group containing carbon act as a electrophile. Oxygen act as a nucleophile. In this, the polarity of C double bond O is used for the two types of addition reaction takes place. One is a general nucleophilic addition reaction. For example, hydrogen cyanide dissociated H plus Cl minus hydrogen cyanide. Hydroxylamine NH2 NH2 dissociated H plus NHOH minus. Phenylhydrazine C6H5 NH2 dissociated H plus NH C6H5 minus. Semicarboxide NH2 C double bond O NH2 dissociated H plus NH minus NH C6H5 is the phenyl hydrazine. Then next one, NH2 C double bond O bond NH2 urea dissociated H plus NH minus CO NH2 2,4 DNP 2,4 DNP in the benzene ring. In second carbon NO2, fourth carbon also NO2 in NH2 dissociated to form of in the NO2 bond NH minus then H plus. In these reagents otherwise called Praddy reagents. Praddy reagent. The Praddy reagent otherwise is simply abbreviated as in the DNP 2,4 DNP 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. In the 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine N minus NHCO NH2 minus NH minus NHCH5 minus in then NHCH NH2 no in one NH minus NHCO NH2 in the NHOH minus H plus and the Cn minus in the Cn minus nucleophile NHOH minus nucleophile NHCH5 nucleophile NHCO NH2 nucleophile NHCO NH2 nucleophile. This group also nucleophile. The nucleophile easily attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom to form of anion followed by protonation to form of addition product. These reactions all are simple nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. Here one example is acetaldehyde CH3 bond C, one hydrogen, double bond O. In the compound react with H plus and Cn minus. Cn minus nucleophile. The nucleophile attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom. Carbon oxygen pi bond break. Both one pair of electron move towards the oxygen side. Gives CH3 one C, one hydrogen, one O minus, one Cn. Alkoxide ions, that means called anions. In the O minus, again protonation with the water molecule H plus gives CH3 one C, hydrogen, OH, then Cn. In the Cn group followed by acid hydrolysis of H3O plus gives CH3 one C, H, then OH, one COOH. It is a lactic acid. Unsymmetrical optical active lactic acid. So acetaldehyde react with hydrogen cyanide to form of acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine followed by acid hydrolysis to form of lactic acid. In the CH3 is replaced by C6H5. C6H5 means benzaldehyde. CH3 replaced by C6H5 benzaldehyde anion. In the CH3 replaced by C6H5 benzaldehyde cyanohydrine. In the CH3 replaced by CCH5 to form of a mandelic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, CH3 lactic acid, instead of CH3 by using of CCH by metallic acid, lactic acid and metallic acid. In this reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction, not only in this reaction all are nucleophilic addition reaction because of Cn minus nucleophile. This group all are negatively charged nucleophile. The negatively charged nucleophile attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom to form of anion. Anion formed by protonation to form of a cyanohydrine or hydroxylamine or phenyl hydroxylamine or a semicarbazole to form of a final product. The final product known as a addition product because of all reagents are nucleophile ordered to carbon oxygen double bond. That's why the product known as a nucleophilic addition reaction. NH2OH means what products are formed? In then bond carbon, then bond in a double bond NOH. In then carbon double bond O react with hydrazine NH2 hydrazine NH2 hydrazine means to form of in then carbon double bond NH2. In then carbonyl oxygen bonded with or combined with phenyl hydrazine CCH5 NH2 gives in the carbon double bond NH C6H5. In the C double bond O combined with NH2 NH CO NH2 gives then bond C N NH CO in the NH2 is a carbon reagent also. Is a react with carbonyl group double bond O react with carbon reagents. Then 2,4 DNP gives the carbon nitrogen and then NH and then C6 H3 because of para position NO2 in an ortho position NO2. Formaldehyde react with hydroxylamine to form of a formaldehyde oxide. Acetaldehyde react with hydroxylamine to form of acetaldehyde oxide. Benzaldehyde react with hydroxylamine to form of benzaldehyde oxide. Then benzophenone react with hydroxylamine to form of benzophenone oxide. It is oxide, it is hydrazone, phenyl hydrazone, semicarbazone, 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. For example, in acetaldehyde means react with hydroxylamine to form of acetaldehyde oxide. Acetone react with hydroxylamine to form of acetone oxide. Acetaldehyde react with hydrazine to form of acetaldehyde hydrazone. Acetaldehyde react with phenyl hydrazine to form of acetaldehyde phenyl hydrazone. Acetaldehyde react with semicarbazide to form of acetaldehyde semicarbazone. Acetaldehyde react with 2,4 DNP means to form of acetaldehyde in the 2,4 phenyl hydrazone. These reactions all are simple nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Another one, aldol condensation reaction. What is the meaning of aldol condensation? In 2 moles of aldehyde, in the aldol condensation reaction, condensation reactions easily distinguished by those aldehyde compounds which contain in presence of alpha hydrogen means to form of aldol when is treated with 50% of concentrated sodium hydroxide. It is important. In absence of alpha hydrogen, those aldehyde compounds is easily react with concentrated caustic soda to form of a disproportionation product of an acid as well as alcohol. 1 moles oxidized to form of a carboxylic acid, 1 moles reduced form of a in an alcohol. It is a condensation reaction. So, what is the major difference, the major distinction between the aldol condensation process or condensation reaction? In aldol condensation process applicable for those compounds which contain in presence of alpha hydrogen. In condensation reaction is applicable for those compound does not contain alpha hydrogen. Both are react with the sodium hydroxide to form of a different type of product. Now we are going to discuss about briefly discuss about the aldol condensation process. Aldol condensation process. What is the meaning of aldol condensation? Similar or different aldehyde is a react with each other in presence of strongest base to give aldol. If the compound contain only one type of similar hydrogen atom, follow the different type of product. If the compound contain two different type of dissimilar alpha hydrogen atom gives the different products of that. Then come astaldehyde CH3 CHO. Again combine with another modes of astaldehyde. In presence of OH minus ion to form of aldol CH3 and then CH OH CH2 CHO plus then H2 remove. The process known as aldol condensation process. The process only applicable for those compounds which contain alpha hydrogen atom. What is the mechanism? This process will follow the three-step process. In first step, nucleophilic addition. What is the nucleophile? CH3C double bond O bond H. OH minus ion as a nucleophile. The OH minus base. The OH minus ion act as a nucleophile. In the OH minus ions easily abstract the alpha carbon contain hydrogen. Which carbon is alpha carbon? Which hydrogen is alpha hydrogen? Alpha carbon having hydrogen alpha hydrogen. Functional group nearest carbon alpha carbon. CHO functional group. Functional group nearest carbon alpha carbon. Alpha carbon having hydrogen alpha hydrogen. Totally how many alpha hydrogens are there? 3 alpha hydrogens are there. The 3 alpha hydrogen easily absorbed by OH minus ion to generate carbon ion. CH2 minus on CHO. It's a carbon ion. Is the first step process in the nucleophile. What is the nucleophile or what is the base? In the OH minus ion is the base. Generation of nucleophile. It is one of the nucleophile. It is one of the fourth nucleophile. In the fourth nucleophile generated by using of OH minus ion from the one modes of astaldehyde. In second step process, another modes of unionized C double bond O bond H because of 2 modes of astaldehyde. No, yes, CH2 CHO minus is a nucleophile. The nucleophile attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom. Attack on the electron deficient unionized carbonyl carbon atom. Carbon oxygen bibond break. Both one of electron move towards the oxygen side. Gives alkoxide ion. CH3 bond C O minus H. CH2 CHO. Alkoxide ion. In third step, in the alkoxide ion of CH3 C H bond O minus in one CH2 CHO alkoxide ion. Protonation with water. Protonation from water or protonation with water. If CH3 bond C H OH in one CH2 CHO, it is an aldol. In the aldol, with or without elimination of water molecule, hydrogen from the CH2, OH from the carbon atom. So functional group, nearest carbon alpha carbon, next carbon beta carbon. Beta carbon having hydrogen can come in with OH H2 or more. Gives CH3 CH double bond CH bond CHO. Coronary is applied. With or without elimination of water molecule to form of a coronary to probutynyl because of this functional group. Second carbon double bond to butynyl. This is a process of aldol condensation process. In the aldol condensation process only applicable for those compounds which contain alpha hydrogen. Is a functional group nearest carbon alpha carbon. In the aldol condensation process takes place in totally how many process? 3-step process. In first step, generation of carbon ion by T2 to OH minus ion. In second step, in the carbon ion it is a fourth nucleophile. In the fourth nucleophile attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom of unionized another molecule to give the alkoxide ion. In the alkoxide ion, protonation from the water to form of aldol again in the eliminate the water molecule to form of coronary. This reaction is a similar for the compound containing similar one type of similar alpha hydrogen atom. one type of similar alpha hydrogen atom. What is meaning of crossed aldol condensation? For example, acetaldehyde CH3CHO react with propanaldehyde CH3 CH2 CHO, or is a react with acetone CH3 CO CH3. Is a functional group alpha carbon. It is a functional group alpha carbon. It is a functional group alpha carbon. It is also alpha carbon. The three compounds are the compound containing one type of similar alpha hydrogen atom. One type of similar alpha hydrogen. CH2 is one type of similar alpha hydrogen. The CH3 or CH3 is a compound containing one type of similar alpha hydrogen atoms are there. In this compound undergo aldol condensation process in presence of 50% of constant caustic soda. In the CH3CO condenses to form of a aldehyde. So aldol CH3 CH OH bond CH2 CHO. In the CH3 CH2CO itself condensed to form of one product CH3 bond CH2 bond C OH H in CH bond CH3 bond CHO, one product. In crossed aldol, these two products are self-condensation product. All acetaldehyde condensed in presence of aldol. Propanaldehyde condensed in presence of these kind of compounds. If the acetaldehyde is nucleophile, propanaldehyde has a unionized form. Here, important point. Acetaldehyde has a nucleophile. Propanaldehyde has a unionized form, means gives one product CH3 1 CH2 C OH H CH2 CHO. It is unionized product. Propanaldehyde act as an unionized product. If the acetaldehyde act as a nucleophile, gives you one type of product. Another one, in the propanaldehyde act as a nucleophile. Propanaldehyde act as a nucleophile means CH3 CH minus then CHO. Propanaldehyde act as a nucleophile. Acetaldehyde act as an unionized form to give CH3 bond C OH H CH CH3 bond CHO. Totally how many products are there? 1 2 3 4 types of products are there. In these two products are self-condensation product. In these two products are in the cross aldol condensation product. What is the meaning of self-condensation product? What is the meaning of cross condensation product? Acetaldehyde can combine with another modes of similar acetaldehyde to give self-condensation product. Propanaldehyde condenses with another modes of propanaldehyde, self-condensation product. Acetaldehyde act as a nucleophile. Propanaldehyde act as an unionized form, gives the one cross aldol condensation product. Propanaldehyde act as a nucleophile. Acetaldehyde act as an unionized form, gives the another one, then what? Cross aldol condensation products are there. So totally how many self-condensation product? 2 self-condensation product, 2 in the crossed aldol condensation products are there from the 2 compounds. 2 compounds are. In a totally how many crossed aldol condensation products are formed? Number of crossed crossed aldol condensation. Number of crossed aldol condensation. For example, CH3 CHO then combine with CH3 CH2 CHO or CH3 CHO CH3 COCH3 or CH3 CH2 CHO CH3 COCH3. In both column, acetaldehyde propanaldehyde, acetaldehyde acetone, propanaldehyde acetone, the compound containing one type of similar alpha hydrogen. Functional group nearest one type of CH3 group. Functional group nearest carbon CH2 group. Is a functional group nearest carbon CH3 group. Is a functional group nearest carbon CH2. Only one types are there. So the compound containing both compounds are totally 6 compounds. No, the 6 compounds are compound containing one type of similar alpha hydrogen atoms are there. Self-condensation product. Self-condensation product, in then cross-condensation product, in then total product. Totally how many self-condensation product? Self-condensation product of acetaldehyde 1. Self-condensation product of propionaldehyde 1 equal to 2. Totally 2 self-condensation products are there. Totally how many in the cross-condensation product? If the acetaldehyde act as a nucleophile, propionaldehyde act as an unionized form, give one product. If the propionaldehyde act as a nucleophile, acetaldehyde act as an unionized form, give another one product equal to 2 cross-order condensation product. So total order condensation product 4. Total order condensation product 4. Here. In the CH3, CHO. The compound containing one type of alpha hydrogen atom, similar alpha hydrogen atom. So self-condensation product of acetaldehyde 1, self-condensation product of acetone also 1 equal to 2. Cross-condensation product. If the acetaldehyde is nucleophile, acetone is an unionized form, one product. Acetone is nucleophile, acetaldehyde is an unionized form, one product equal to 2 product. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 order condensation products are there. Next one, propionaldehyde, self-condensation product of propionaldehyde 1, self-condensation product of acetone also 1 equal to 2 self-condensation product. If the propionaldehyde act is a nucleophile, acetone act is an unionized form, 1 cross product. If the acetone act is a nucleophile, propionaldehyde act is a unionized form, gives one product. Totally 2 crossed order condensation product, total order condensation product, cross order condensation product, total order condensation product 4. Then totally 4 compounds are there. The next one, CH3 CHO, CH3 CO, CH2 CH3. Listen, bottom one. CH3 CHO, the compound containing one type of similar alpha hydrogen atom. Here, the compound containing 2 different type of dissimilar alpha hydrogen atom. In presence of OH minus gives you how many anion? CH2 minus CHO, only one type of anion. In presence of OH minus gives you how many anion? CH2 minus CO, CH2 CH3, one anion nucleophile. Another one, CH3 CO, CH2 minus CH3. Because of it is a functional group, it is alpha carbon, it is also alpha carbon, both are alpha carbon. So in the compound you expect the how many anion? Only one anion, CH2 minus CHO. In the compound you expect the in presence of OH minus means gives the how many anion? 2 type of anion. One is a CH2 CO, CH2 CH3. Another one CH3 CO, CH minus. Then CH3. Self-condensation product of acetaldehyde in the compounds, compound containing one type of similar alpha hydrogen. These compounds, compound containing 2 different type of dissimilar alpha hydrogen. That hydrogen CH3 hydrogen. That hydrogen CH2 hydrogen. Both hydrogens are 2 different dissimilar alpha hydrogen. Order condensation product of acetaldehyde or self-condensation product of acetaldehyde only one plus self-condensation product of ethyl methyl ketone 2 gives totally 3 compounds because of CH3 minus act as a nucleophile gives you one product. Another one CH2 minus nucleophile act as a nucleophile gives you another one product. Totally 2 self-condensation products are there. In the one self-condensation product from the acetaldehyde, 2 self-condensation product from the acetone, to ethyl methyl ketone to give C 3 self-condensation products are there. Next one, cross condensation product. If the acetaldehyde act as a nucleophile, Ethyl methyl ketone act as a unionized form gives you one product. 1 plus in ethyl methyl ketone CH2 minus act as a nucleophile, aspartate act as an unionized form gives you one product plus CH2 minus act as a nucleophile, aspartate act as an unionized form gives you another one product. So totally 3 cross aldol condensation products are there. So 3 from the self, 3 from the cross, totally 6 aldol type of condensation product. Another one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O bond CH3. The compound containing 2 different type of alpha hydrogen. C6, H5, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. These compound also contain 2 different dissimilar alpha hydrogen atoms. Here, it is a functional group. It is a methyl carbon. It is a functional group. Alpha carbon, methylene carbon. In presence of sodium hydroxide, the compound exhibits the CH3, CH2, C double bond O bond, CH2 minus 1 nucleophile. In presence of sodium hydroxide, CH3, CH minus, C double bond O bond, CH3, one type of nucleophile. Both are different type of nucleophile because of the compound containing 2 different type of dissimilar alpha hydrogen. In same way, benzyl ethyl ketone also. C6, H5, CH2, C double bond O bond, CH minus CH3, one nucleophile. C6, H5, CH2, CH minus, and then C double bond O bond, CH2, CH3, another one type of nucleophile. Self-condensation product what? Self-condensation product of ethyl methyl ketone 2. Okay. Self-condensation product of ethyl methyl ketone. In the CH2 minus nucleophile, one product. Then CH minus is a nucleophile, one product. So totally 2 self-condensation product of ethyl methyl ketones are formed. Another one, CH2 minus is a nucleophile, one product. This CH minus nucleophile is one product. Totally 2 self-condensation product. 4. 2 from this compound, 2 from that compound. Totally 4 self-condensation products are there. Another one, cross condensation product. Cross condensation product. CH2 minus act as a nucleophile, benzyl methyl ketone act as a unionized form. One product is one product. CH minus act as a nucleophile, benzyl methyl ketone act as a unionized form gives the one product. Plus, in the CH minus act as a nucleophile, ethyl methyl ketone act as an unionized form gives the one product. Plus, C6H5 CH minus. The CH minus act as a nucleophile, ethyl methyl ketone act as an unionized form gives the one product. Totally 4 crossed aldol condensation products are there. 4 self aldol condensation product, 4 crossed aldol condensation product, totally 8 aldol condensation products are there. These reactions all are aldol condensation product. In aldol condensation product, maximum 8 compounds possible. Maximum 8 compounds are possible. These all reactions are intermolecular aldol condensation process. Intermolecular aldol condensation. Intermolecular aldol condensation process. Intermolecular aldol condensation. Inter means between 2 molecules. Aldol condensation process. The reaction all are intermolecular aldol condensation process. What is the meaning of intramolecular aldol condensation process? Those molecules which contain same compound undergo the in the aldol condensation process known as intramolecular aldol condensation process. So what is the meaning of intramolecular aldol condensation process? In case of diketone, dialdehyde, ketoaldehyde, react with the strongest base. In case of diketone, dialdehyde or ketoaldehyde, react with the strongest base to give the different cyclic compounds are formed. 7-membered ring, 6-membered ring and 5-membered ring compounds are formed. In the 7-membered rings are not feasible. In the order of stability of ring compounds are 6-membered ring. 6-membered ring. In the 6-membered ring is more stable than the 5-membered ring is more stable than the 7-membered ring. In the among the 6 members, among the 3 compounds, 6-membered rings are more feasible. Remaining 5 and 7-membered rings are not feasible. In case of the compound contain diketone, dialdehyde, in the ketoaldehyde, react with the in presence of strongest base to give the or follow the intramolecular order condensation process.